Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time I'm going to tell about 5 functions of the tools. Okay, the first, can you giving me that screwdriver? I wanna use it to screw. Uh, can you grab me that? Me? Can you grab me that wire cutter? I must cut to this wire. Would you pass me that chainsaw? I must cut this wood beam with that. Do you mind giving me that grinder? I want to use it to smooth the tip of this plate. Can you giving me that ruler? I want to use it to measure along this plate. Okay, maybe that just only, and see you the next video.